The public will know on Saturday if this season's Red Stripe Premier League will kick off anytime soon. All parties met on Friday at the JFF headquarters to iron out a way forward.
The Red Stripe Premier League should have been in its third week by now. Instead, it hasn't seen a day of action as yet, at least not on the field of play. A boardroom meeting after boardroom meeting, but the JFF are hoping the one held on Friday will be the last concerning the matter of the PLCA and Montego Bay United. It's a meeting the JFF General Secretary Raymond Grant described as one of their better ones.
We have come to an agreement on that. I guess all parties are happy based on the discussions that we would have surrounding that issue. And that will be part of the announcement that will be made in a few hours' time.
Few hours would mean the JFF Congress on Saturday. But how certain are they that Montego Bay United are in agreement with the decision taken?
Montego Bay United was represented at the meeting by their president, Orville Powell. And from his body language and expression, I think I'm competent enough to report that he left the meeting as a happy man.
So you didn't hear it from him?
I can report that he left the meeting as an happy man.
So, no, I'm trying to guess. Are you judging by his body language and not by something he said?
Well, generally you can judge by Orville's body language. You can know when he's not happy. You can know when he's happy. And I am convinced that he left as an happy man.
But despite saying Mobay United will be justly rewarded, the JFF interim president Bruce Gaynor wouldn't say who will pay or how much they will receive.
There's a responsibility to compensate the club over the last 12 months, and football will pay the funds.
And football means the JFF and the PLCA?
JFF has the senior responsibility for football in Jamaica. There's a company to which is a partner in the PLCA, which is the TVJ, and it is the JFF has demanded that this fund is paid. So in the end, we ensured that this funds was paid.
If ratified by the JFF board on Saturday and agreed on by Mobay United, the league could start on September 24. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.